What's up guys, in this video today I am going to show you the top 5 best automotive smoke machine. Smoke coming out of electrical or engine components is always a bad sign, especially if it's detected in a car. As there are a lot of components present in a car system. There are a lot of products available to choose to automotive smoke machine. Each with excellent characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make an informed decision. I have done deep research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best automotive smoke machine product from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. AutoLine Pro Automotive Smoke Machine. Another phenomenal EV smoke machine you should check out if you're looking to save a little money is the AutoLine Pro Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Detector. It's an extremely compact unit, and although it's a little more expensive than our top pick, it comes with a little more too. For starters, it comes with a smoke fluid, which is one less thing you need to purchase to get started. Second, it comes with a comprehensive 1-year warranty that covers every component. Moreover, the ceramic smoke coil has a lifetime warranty, and that means the chances of you needing to replace the entire unit is slim to none. Despite the comprehensive warranties and the included smoke fluid, it's still available for an outstanding price, but you will need a separate air compressor to use it. But once again, when you look at the price of the unit, you're still getting a great deal, especially if you already have an air compressor. It's a very lightweight and compact unit, making it easy to use, and it comes with a few necessary accessories. In fact, if you already have an air compressor, this unit comes with everything you need to get started. Number 2. Rhinotuning Automotive Smoke Machine. When you're looking at EV smoke machines, the VAC Leak Hunter Automotive Smoke Machine Leak Diagnostic Tester is almost identical to the vacuum car smoke machine leak detector that's farther up our list. Both are extremely light smoke machines that are easy to use, and both are extremely durable. Not only that, but they both come with an internal air compressor, and are available for affordable prices. While they both share the same perks, they also have the same drawbacks. They both don't come with any smoke or oil, and you can't control the smoke or air output on either smoke machine. But if they're both so identical, why is this one so much farther down the list? The truth is that it all comes down to the price. While they're from different brands, they're almost identical in every way, but this one is more expensive. Positive side of this product: very light option. Extremely durable design. You don't need an air compressor. Very easy to use. Negative side of this product: you can't control smoke output. Number 3. AUTOOL Automotive Smoke Machine. The AutoLine EVAP Vacuum Automotive Smoke Machine is another professional quality EVAP smoke machine you can purchase. It's extremely durable and long-lasting, and to prove it, AutoOL covers it with a 3-year warranty. But even then, it's so durable you're unlikely to need it in the first place, and it's likely to last far longer. The entire machine is extremely easy to use, and it comes with both overheat and anti-frost protection. So, unless you're intentionally trying to damage it, there's nothing that should cause this tool to break down on you. It has a built-in compressor, but it weighs 2 to 3 pounds lighter than most machines that have these options. You can also change the overall smoke output, but you can't change the airflow. That's not a huge deal for most jobs, but it can become a problem every once in a while. But for everything that this EVAP smoke machine does well, it's the price that sent it down the list a bit. For the price of this EVAP smoke machine, you can buy 2 of our top choice, which is a little hard to justify. Number 4. Mr. CARTOOL Automotive Smoke Machine. If you're looking for a unit that can do it all and you're not worried about spending a little more, then the Mr. CARTOOL T130 is exactly what you've been looking for. Sure, it's a little more expensive, but it comes with a comprehensive 2-year warranty, and comes with tons of caps and other accessories that you'll need to complete any job. It's not just one of the best EVAP smoke machines out there, but it's one of the best automotive smoke machines. The entire design is extremely durable, and if you care for it correctly, there's no reason it can't last far longer than the 2-year warranty protects. You can adjust both the smoke and air output levels, and what's even better is that it comes with a built-in compressor. Once you have the smoke oil, this compressor is extremely easy to use, and is perfect for automotive shops. It also has overheat protection, so if the machine exceeds a safe temperature, it will automatically shut off and save the machine from breaking. Number 5. Vacuum Car Smoke Machine. While the vacuum car smoke machine leak detector might not look like much, it does everything you need in an EVAP smoke machine. It's insanely light at under 3 pounds, and you still don't need a compressor to use it. It's insanely easy to use, and it comes in a super durable casing. Even better for you, it creates thick walls of smoke to make troubleshooting easy. However, you can't control the overall smoke output. There's on and off, and that's about it. That's not a huge deal, but if you're looking for a machine you can fine-tune a bit for different troubleshooting areas, this isn't it. But when you look at the price, that's alright. It's an extremely affordable smoke machine that gets the job done without the need for you to go out and purchase an air compressor. Not only that, but since it's a durable product, you're not only saving money now but down the road too. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoy the videos, please daily so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know the product price, do check out my description box. You can for any kind of problem, please comment below.